Hi friends, today we will see how to use mAadhar app. First, you need to download the app from Google Play Store. Then, to add your profile in the mAadhar app, follow the steps. Step 1. Open the mAadhar app. Step 2. Click on Register my Aadhar. Step 3. Enter 4-digit password. Step 4. Enter your Aadhar number and click on Request OTP. Step 5. Enter the OTP received and click on Verify to complete the registration process. Now, we will see features and benefits of mAadhar app. Features includes as follows. Access Aadhar card digitally anytime, anywhere. Update address and demographic details easily. Manage Aadhar for up to 5 family members. Share secure eKYC or QR codes. Secure Aadhar with locking features. Retrieve lost UID EID and generate VID. Order Aadhar reprints for a fee. Verify Aadhar, mobile numbers, or email IDs. Scan QR codes on Aadhar for quick details. Check service request status and book appointments.